So today, what's up here, folks? If I close it. So today we'll be looking at some nerf guns. Yeah, I actually have some nerf guns that I want to show you because like all of the crap I have. So the first one, and also some water guns and something extra. So this one is the nerf. I know, right? I know this one. The nerf jolt. You don't know it. This gun is the first one I ever got. Literally, so it's like this tiny right here. It looks so tiny. Then look at the literally. Yeah, this one kind of the best one, but sometimes the bullet comes out. Literally, it comes out automatically. So literally, not the best ones that I have. And this is, I don't know what it is, but it's just a piece of crap that I have. It looks a piece of crap, but you can still it fits enough for like the back of the dome of the gun. You could just attach it like that, or you could just be like gun versus gun and attach like a long barrel in front, or like yo, and it's just wagging on you. It's just wagger. It's not freaking wagger. And it also goes like that, and then like this, and it looks weird. It looks kind of weird. So now next gun. And also I'm gonna be showing you some techniques. So next gun. I don't know if this gun does. It's like a yellow strong arm. Like the name is right here. It's hard to see because Nerf doesn't even like paint the letters. Literally shut up on that though. It's like it's called the Maverick REV 6. It's kind of the best one that I have in my collection. This gun does not jam, but and it carries 6 rounds, like a magazine. Like this, look at. I'm actually showing you because, like, right here, there are like stairs, and they lead to like stairs, like they have openings where there's a bunch of tools that you can use find my stores. Cause I can't even order nothing from Amazon. They're just loaded each. I put it there after like a shoulder strap case. I put it right here because like I used to have my toys way over there, and the other one, and it's terrible kind. I was like, it was hard to get out. It's like this pulling on it. Yeah, I got like some tape on here. This is a really old gun. I had these for like 2 years. I had these kind of guns. When I first saw Nerf, I was like, yo, that's so cool. Why? Well, I didn't talk about it. And this whole time I was like, yo, Dad, I've never seen these Nerf guns. The whole time I thought you could like build your gun, you just build it. Well, no, it's not. If you prefer attachment, there's like only one attachment right here. And I put a scope there. First thing you do, right? And also a kid like put like tape the scope on here, which there's lower like lower rails, so you can't put nothing on it. Or like you can't even put nothing, like literally. So next one. So once again, this gun did not came in a package. It was just laying around in the store with used stuff, used toys. And I found this gun. I was like, yo, this gun is cool. And literally, I didn't care about the bullets because I actually barely didn't have any bullets. And now I have put like a whole bag of Nerf bullets. Yeah, some of them are like X-shot darts. So Yeah, now let's see which is the other one. Now, so this one. Really cool music coming, but it was scary. So this is Recon MK2. This one, I really liked it because it came with a barrel in front with the one attachment. But I don't know where it is right now because I lost it in my toys. Really couldn't find it. And it has a 6-round mag. Did not came with the scope though. Literally had to put a nerf right here. You can't see it right there. It said nerf. And they literally they didn't put nerf like right here. It says right here nerf. But literally they don't color in like again like the other one. Just doesn't straight power. Also if you like push it, you could do this so hard. The dart will actually just shoot. Look, it will just shoot by itself without pressing the trigger. Look, I'm not even pressing it. I'm just gonna leave my hand like this. See, it just shot. It just shot itself. It just shot itself for some reason. Oh, let me do some headshots. Just like the rail right here and this here. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like this gun when I first got it. Alright, next up is this one of the most worst guns I ever had. It's a Nerf Star Wars. Yeah, I don't know the name from this and that, but I just call it the Nerf Star Wars because it just said right here. Star Wars? It's the Nerf Star Wars. Dude. When I had the package, it didn't even say the name. I don't remember the name actually. You should have said this is one of my most worst guns. I know it looks cool and all, like all of this, like all of this right here, all of this right here. But this gun is one of the most worst. It jams too much. It just jams so bad that literally you're not even gonna want it anymore. Like once you put it like a Nerf dart in here, I'll put it like nice and order and it still jams. Like how weird is that? Literally just jamming on me. Like I kept jamming a bunch of jams. Literally. And then I'll definitely not smash this gun like Coop 772. That guy's crazy. What the crap did he do? He like just broke a gun cause it got too many jams. I don't care. At least you still have a gun. You don't have to waste the money again on these expensive guns. They're like so expensive. I don't know why. Because I buy them in stores. So now we're going to be looking at, I actually also had the Nerf Rampage. I found it near a trash can with no bag, no Nerf darts. So I don't know what was wrong with them. Whoever threw that away. So I was like, why don't I pick that up? I want to pick it up, bro. That would be really cool. So I'm like, bro. Oh, grab it. That's just a lone gun. And unfortunately, I had a really bad jam. I had like the screws are in the gun. Yeah, I actually my dad had to take out all the screws, and then he opened it the wrong way, and now all the pieces like went flying everywhere, like pieces right there, pieces everywhere, and we had to pick them up, and now we didn't know where did the other ones went. Literally, sometimes I actually lost like a couple pieces. But then I got fixed, but the screws wouldn't go in. Like they're hard to memorize. So basically, the gun actually jammed, and my dad threw away next day. I was like, yo, what did you do to my gun? That was my favorite gun. It was my favorite gun because it barely jams. That gun barely jams. It was my favorite one, and then it didn't happen. And actually, I want to take a look at my water guns. I actually have water guns. See, there's tape right here. There's tape right here. Cause this thing right here was like right here, but it was sliding down to me. So I was like, yo, boy, and you could just like put it in the bucket, like water, and then the cool part is like, I've heard you're gonna need loads of water for this boy, cause this boy is just gonna easily run out. It got two, so it's just gonna spray at you. And I got another one that looks almost like a gun, like a nerf gun. It's not. But this gun right here. It's just a water gun. It's a water gun. It's a water gun. And just shoot it like a gun that you have caught. Look at it. Here is right now a little someone over there. So yeah, going to get to the parts right now. Going to get to the nerve attachment I showed you in another videos. And now and later